Hello DIY enthusiasts and woodworking masters. Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, your ultimate guide to all things tools. If you've been searching for the best palm sanders to take your woodworking projects to the next level, you are in the right place. Whether you are sanding cabinets, refurbishing furniture, or tackling intricate detailing, having the right palm sander can make all the difference. Today we're reviewing 5 top-rated palm sanders: the Dewalt Palm Sander, Wen Palm Sander, Black+Decker Palm Sander, Skil Palm Sander, and ZFE Palm Sander. These tools are designed to provide smooth finishes, reduce hand fatigue, and give you professional quality results with ease. Make sure to check the description box and the first comment for direct links to these products, because finding the perfect tool has never been easier. And before we jump into the reviews, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up for more expert advice. Now, let's dive in. Dewalt Palm Sander. The Dewalt Palm Sander is a true workhorse, built for heavy-duty sanding tasks while maintaining user comfort. Powered by a robust 3-amp motor, this sander delivers an impressive 14,000 orbits per minute (OPM) for smooth, swirl-free finishes. Its textured grip ensures a comfortable hold even during extended use, reducing fatigue. One standout feature is the dust-sealed switch, which keeps debris out of the internal components, significantly increasing the tool's lifespan. Plus, the high-capacity dust bag does an excellent job of keeping your workspace clean. This is perfect for professionals working on large-scale projects or DIYers handling intricate detailing. Whether you are sanding rough edges or polishing wood surfaces, the Dewalt Palm Sander guarantees consistent and precise results. Wen Palm Sander. The Wen Palm Sander strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance, making it an ideal choice for beginners and occasional DIYers. Its 1.2-amp motor generates 13,500 OPM, offering sufficient power for light to medium sanding tasks. This tool is lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and around corners. It features a hook and loop base, which allows for quick and hassle-free sandpaper changes. The dust port adapter connects effortlessly to your shop vac, ensuring a nearly dust-free workspace. For its price, the Wen Palm Sander delivers exceptional value without compromising on quality. Black+Decker Palm Sander. The Black+Decker Palm Sander is designed for versatility and efficiency, making it a favorite among homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. With its 2-amp motor and triangular sanding pad, this sander is perfect for reaching corners and tight spaces that other sanders can't. It's a great choice for refinishing furniture, smoothing cabinet edges, and detailed sanding tasks. The dust collection system effectively minimizes mess, and the dust-sealed switch protects against wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, the Black+Decker Palm Sander is easy to handle and guarantees smooth, even results every time. Skil Palm Sander. For those who prioritize precision and control, the Skil Palm Sander is a game-changer. This tool is equipped with a powerful 2.8-amp motor, delivering consistent results even on tougher materials. One of its standout features is the pressure control technology, which lets you know if you are applying too much pressure, preventing oversanding and protecting your project. The microfiltration system efficiently traps fine dust particles, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Its soft grip handle ensures maximum comfort, making it a great option for extended projects. Affordable yet packed with innovative features, the Skil Palm Sander is a must-have for serious woodworkers. ZFE Palm Sander. The ZFE Palm Sander is all about flexibility and precision. It features variable speed control, allowing you to tailor the speed to your specific project needs. With its ergonomic design and reduced vibration, this sander ensures a comfortable experience even during prolonged use. The ZFE Palm Sander also boasts an impressive dust collection system, which keeps your workspace clean and reduces the risk of inhaling harmful particles. This tool is perfect for detailed work, such as polishing furniture or creating smooth finishes on intricate wood designs. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, the ZFE Palm Sander is an excellent addition to any toolbox. And there you have iTour in-depth review of the best palm sanders available in 2025. From the powerhouse performance of the Dewalt Palm Sander to the budget-friendly reliability of the Wen Palm Sander, each of these tools brings unique features to the table. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, investing in the right palm sander will elevate your projects and save you time and effort. If this video helped you find the perfect palm sander, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tool review. And remember to check the description box and the first comment for direct links to all these amazing products. Thanks for watching Tool Mentorship, and we'll see you next time.